Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are solving this interesting maths question without using calculator. So the question is 21 to the power 63 over 63 to the power 21 is equals to what? So let's start with today's video solution. So 21 to the power 63 over 63 to the power 21, we can write this 63 as 42 plus 21 over this 63 as 21 times 3 whole power 21. Now we can use the identity that is x power m plus n. We can write it as x power m times x power n. So this becomes 21 power 42 times 21 power 21. Similarly, in denominator, it becomes 21 power 21 times 3 power 21. So this will cancel out. So what is left? 21 power 42 over 3 power 21. Now 21 I can write it as 3 times 7 whole power 42 over 3 power 21. Now we can break this as 3 power 42 times 7 power 42 over 3 power 21. Now this 42 I can break it as 3 power 21 power 2 because 21 times 2 is 42 and x per exponent rule x power mn we can write it as x power m power n. So it's 3 power 2 times 21, we can write it as 3 power 21 whole power 2. Now times 7 power 42 over 3 power 21. Now this we can write it as 3 power 21 times 3 power 21 times 7 power 42 over 3 power 21. We can cancel out this. So what is left in numerator only 3 power 21 times 7 power 42. Again, I can write this 7 power 42 as 7 power 2 times 21. So this becomes 3 power 21 times 7 square is 49 power 21. So we can write 3 times 49 whole power 21. So which is equals to 3 power 49 is 147 whole power 21. So the value of 21 power 63 over 63 power 21 is 147 power 21. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.